Alright, so today I'm putting the intercooler on. I'm gonna take off the bumper right now. So we're gonna take this off. It is just a bunch of clips on the top, and I'm a little scared. I've never done it and I don't want to break any clips, but hopefully it all goes smoothly. Alright, first piece is off, and now we're gonna handle the rest of the side clips. Okay, so I got the bumper off. It helped right here, taking off these clips if you take off the side markers, because these clips are really, it's easier to get a flat head and push down right here. Clip there, push down on it and take off the bumper. And then there's these clips right here under the headlight. 1, 2, and it's on both sides. So yeah, that was the scariest thing ever, but it's finally off, and now I know how to do it. So it should be easier if I need to do it again. Well, this is out now, covered in bugs. Super light. It's a lot lighter than I thought. There's a size comparison. So that's the PRL, that's the stock one. I think the PRL is about 4 inches wide. This one's probably like about 2 inches. So yeah, this one is, the stock one's a little bit longer, but this one's definitely way fatter. Dang, that's crazy. There's a height difference. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with the cold side first. We have the cold pipe out. This was a pain to get out, but yeah, just use a little bit of strength and wiggle it out of there, and yeah, assemble the, kind of mimic this with the PRL pipes, and assemble it so you can feed it through. So yeah, let's start assembling the PRL cold side and install it. Alright, so I just finished the hot side. I put in the pipe, I tightened it right here. There's a clamp here and a clamp connecting this pipe here and this one. So yeah, I just connected them, fed it through, and then just tightened this right here. So now I'm gonna get to the cold side and let's do it. Okay, so this is the hot side. If you look right here, there's a bolt here. I mean, this is the cold side, I'm sorry. This is the cold pipe. So there's a bolt here, and then I gotta unplug these sensors. This one's gonna be really tough to get out, but yeah, I can make it happen. I'm gonna go ahead and take this bad boy out, assemble the new one, and then put it in. Okay, so I finally got this little seal off. This thing sucked. I was really scared I was gonna break it. I guess just don't be scared, it's not gonna break. Just pull it. Now we're gonna take this whole thing out and then assemble the new one and plop it in. Jeez, these rusted things.
Those rusty hedge trimmers right there. Maybe. Decisions. There we go.
There we go.
All right, here it comes. Come in out. After all that trouble with that stupid one hose.
Dude, I swear, man.
Here we go.
Set his back so far.
All right.
Look at that skinny little schlong.
There it is. This is what gave us a hard time right here.
Man, this thing was annoying. What is this? Pipe condom?
All right, there it is.
Okay, that was on there, literally all the way like up here, like a whole inch and a half on there. That sucked. All right, dumpster. Lube it up real quick. This is already getting dirty. It's bothering me that it's getting dirty right now from my hands. Yeah, this is gonna suck. Ready? It'd probably help if I took out the battery. Oh, it's in. It's on. I meant it's on there nice and good. That's definitely not going anywhere.
Okay, just had to turn the lights on for you guys so you can see. He's feeding it to the bottom. And coming up right here. Snaking it through.
There we go.
Made it. Here it is. Came out of there. And now I'm met up with the other one right here.
Kind of hard.
Okay, guys, trying to hold the camera and do this. Okay. We're getting it there. All right.
Should be good right there.
All right.
Yeah, it's in there.
Good to go.
Okay, so I have the cold side charge pipe in, and everything's connected, every hose. This is clamped on here nice and tight, and then this clamp in here, I actually have it loose just in case I need to move this around. But for the most part, both of the pipes are in. Now it is time for the big intercooler. Alright, so I'm finally done. I have the intercooler on there, right there. I just got to put the bumper back on, and should be good to go. I'm going to go test drive it here in a second to make sure everything's fine. But yeah, overall, this is a pretty tough install if you're by yourself. And I mean, I have no prior experience in any of this stuff. Yeah, I'm kind of just doing everything on my own. But yeah, overall, I mean, it was not the hardest thing in the world, but it was a little tricky. So, but yeah, so hopefully next I will get a tune and down pipe and front pipe, and then we can actually check temperatures that this thing is doing. But yeah, this so far does not require a tune, but overall it was a pretty tough install, and I do recommend it. 10 out of 10. It's completely worth it. But yeah, just a little tough. So yeah. Alright, so it's the next day. I'm driving right now. I actually had a couple lights on the dash when I first turned the car on. I had an emissions light, power steering light, brake system light, and then something else. And I was kind of messing with the plugs in the engine bay. I unplugged some of them connecting to the cold side pipe, and I plugged them back in. And the lights are off now. Everything's working fine. But yeah, if anyone gets that same issue, just kind of check all your plugs, make sure everything's plugged in right. But yeah, overall, I don't have a tune, so I can't really check temperatures, but yeah, car feels great, everything's working fine now. So next up is the down pipe, the front pipe, and then we're going to be tuned.